senior. I do bowling and it's pretty fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for my future for a bowler, but I look at it as a really good thing because I believe in my work and I enjoy bowling. Fry frame. A fry frame, you get all strikes with your team and you get fries. To all the people that are looking forward to doing bowling in the next few years, bowling's a really fun sport. You have fun with your friends, you compete with other teams. It's a really fun sport to do.